Stand North Wales Youth Zone ydy grŵp am pobl sy'n 12 i 17 blwydd oeden efo additional needs a disabilities. So mae pobl ifanc yn dod at ni just achos mae'n dod I cael pobl sy'n deall nhw, pobl sy'n gallu supportio nhw hefyd efo lot o pethau. So, I dod at o'n gilydd efo pobl sy'n ryfath hefyd, maen nhw'n just yn lot well I nhw bod themselves.
Being a part stand has allowed me to make more friendships than I would if I was in school. It's improved my confidence and I feel like I can socialise with people a lot more. It's really important because we all understand each other and we know how different we are to other people. So we kind of support each other through it.
The world in general is very judgmental, but you can have this one safe space where you can be yourself unapologetically. You can unwind, you can have fun with your friends, catch up with everyone, and you can be silly, goofy, flawed. It doesn't matter. You can just be you.